All right, in this lesson, I want to show you a quick alternative syntax for this code that we have right here, the curly braces with one followed by a comma. As we talked about in the previous lessons, this means one or more occurrences. So right now, this is saying one or more occurrences of white space in a row. There is an alternative symbol you can use to represent the exact same thing, and it is the plus symbol. So right here, if I look for plus, we can see the documentation is one or more. So right here, A plus means one or more occurrences of A. So to keep things a little bit simpler, right here, with the exact same problem I have in the previous lesson, instead of writing these curly braces with one comma, I can simply put /s followed by a plus. That means one or more occurrences of white space, right? This is white space /s. The plus means one or more occurrences of that. Similarly, right here, I have /s followed by the exact same thing, curly braces with one comma. So instead of specifying one or more with this syntax, it's a little bit cleaner to replace all of this with plus. All right, so you can see we're still going to match the things down below. Now in this scenario, because a phone number is likely to have a specific pattern of 3 digits, you might argue that this is a good regular expression to use, but I just want to show you as well that we can apply the exact same plus symbol to our numbers and curly braces for our digits as well, right? So we're going to lose the preciseness, but it's going to be a little bit cleaner. So if we don't really care about searching for exactly 3 digits in a row, we want to search for any number of one or more, we can do /d plus. That's going to indicate one or more digits in a row, any number. And similarly right here, instead of searching for exactly 3 digits, we can do one or more occurrences of digits in a row by doing /d followed by a plus sign. And at the end, of course, we have exactly 4 digits in a row. Once again, I can replace this with /d followed by a plus to mark one or more digits in a row. So this is going to be a little bit cleaner, and it's still going to identify the same pattern. But again, we're going to lose the preciseness of looking for exactly 3 digits followed by 3 digits followed by 4 digits. And again, the preciseness depends on your problem, right? How certain are you that the data is going to come in the way that you expect? How flexible would you like the regex to be, etc.? There's no right answer. It really depends on choosing the right skills and tools from your toolbox to assemble the regular expression that is the most precise at getting what you want, but also accomplishes it in the most clean way possible with the least amount of code, right? So there's many times multiple solutions to the same regex problem. You have to pick and balance the advantages and disadvantages of all of those approaches. All right, so the plus symbol for one or more of a character is an alternative way to accomplish what we just saw in the previous lesson. That's all there's to cover here, so I will see you in the next one.